to Enjay's Play Space! Welcome to part 3 of Science Magic Trick. Sorry you haven't seen it before. It got delayed, but now you're looking at the right video. Last time in part 4, my mom helped me, but this time I think I'm going to call my dad. Come on in, Daddy! This is my daddy. Daddy, say hi to all the kids.
Hello, kids.
My dad's gonna read and I'm gonna do. We have red cabbage powder, check. Baking soda, check. Citric acid, check. 3 clear cups, check. Small scoop, check. Big scoop, check. Beaker, check. We have some water in here of the big beaker. And you should do this with adult supervision only, right?
Right.
So let's get started.
Okay, what to do? Before you perform the trick, add 10 milliliters of warm water and 1 big scoop of citric acid to a clear cup. Mix until the powder is dissolved.
Which means disappear.
This is your acidic solution and red cup. So here's our citric acid right here. So we're going to start out by adding 10 milliliters of water. So put that down. And we're going to add 10 milliliters of warm water first into a cup. So
yeah, this will be hard. 10 is the lowest, as you can remember.
Yeah. So Enjay is pouring 10. A little bit more. Yep. All right, put that down. Make sure you have 10. Look at it. Hold it up, Enjay.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Jesse has a little over 10, but we'll work with that. He's gonna pour. Just pour it in the. He's gonna pour it in the cup. Okay. Very good. Pour it all in the cup. Yep. All right. We're gonna put our cup back out of the way. Now we're gonna take a 1 big scoop. Show them our big scooper.
Right here.
1 big scoop of acidic acid, and try and make sure you have something, paper towels or something, so that if the acidic acid waste, it will go on the paper towel and not on your floor.
Make it dissolve. Whoa.
All right.
Dad, it looks like icy rain.
Mm-hmm.
5, 4, 3.
How's it going, Enjay?
It's going good. Wait, what? It dissolved, everyone.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's awesome. So Enjay is going to give me the acidic citric acid so we can get it out of the way.
Yep.
We want to keep a clean setting.
Yes.
All right, number 2. Add 10 milliliters of warm water and 1 big scoop of baking soda to another clear cup. Mix well until the powder is dissolved. This is your base solution and blue
cup.
Very good. So we're going to baking soda, which we have here next. Here you go, Enjay. 1 big scoop of baking soda. You want to do your water first or baking soda first?
Big water first.
All right.
Time to pour it to 10. That's on 10.
Awesome. All right. Okay. And you're going to pour it in the cup. Remember?
Yes. Of course. How could I not remember?
All right.
Now let's put my baking soda.
1 giant scoop.
I think that's time to put it in here until the powder is dissolved.
Okay, let's put a loop in there.
It does dissolve into cloudy water.
Okay. You want to try some more? Okay.
Isn't this fun, everyone? It dissolved a little bit. Right.
Okay. All right, so that takes care of our baking soda, so we're going to put it back. We want to keep things nice and neat. Number 3, now amaze your audience. add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder,
Right here.
okay, to the beaker. Then fill with 50 milliliters of water.
Ooh.
Okay, so I take 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder to the beaker. 1 small scoop. I'll grab the beaker for you. Be very, very careful.
Whoa, this looks a little gray.
Wow.
Whoa, now it's turning pinkish.
All right. Now we're going to put this down
And get 50
and we're going to get the water. All right, now Enjay's going to pour 50 milliliters. Go for it, Enjay. Be very careful.
Whoa. Turning like a purplish eggplant. Ah! Over 50 gallon. Over 50 alarm.
All right, he's going to
No. Wow, it's turning down.
stir this.
There we go.
Now,
There. It's on 50, everyone.
all right, stir the powder until it's completely dissolved with the small scoop. Okay, hold it and stir it until, hold it up. Let's hold it up for them to see.
Yes.
Until it's completely dissolved.
Right now it looks like a purplish something. Purple. Let's see if I can make it dissolve.
All right, excellent. Okay,
It looks a little dark, lighter now since I stirred it. Wait a minute, it's turning pinkish red.
wow,
That's amazing colors.
okay, all right.
That's there.
All right, let's move on to the next step. Step number 4, put the beaker and clear cups on a table.
What colors make purple? You guessed it, red and blue. But so as you can see, we have a tray because we don't know how big the chemical reaction is gonna come, because if we just didn't use anything, it would drag everything away.
Okay,
All right.
all right. Now, here's next.
Red! Time to pour this red cabbage powder into the citric acid. Citric acid, you have a friend. This is our red!
Wow, Enjay, you took this beaker here and poured it into the citric acid.
And it's red with the tray!
Oh my goodness, that's fantastic. All right, so let's do the next color. Let's go on to the next one.
Alright. This is our baking soda if you don't know.
All right, what color is it turning?
I didn't even pour it.
All right, we'll see.
Wow! That is a cool one!
Okay,
Blue.
wow, that's an interesting blue too. Okay, dynamite. That is awesome. Okay, let's see. So we got red and blue. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do. Can we change the color back to purple? Do you think we can do that?
I think so.
Okay. Now, all right, well, to do that, let's pour the red and the blue back into the empty cup. I'm gonna hold up the empty cup so our audience members can see. All right, go for it.
Here we go. Say goodbye to the red and blue.
Bye. Goodness.
That is so purple pinky. It's like so much eyes of. I like it. It's like so much eyes of an alien.
Does it look like purple soda?
Yeah, but it's lifting up clearly out.
Okay. Well, we can't drink it, even though it looks like a soda. We can't drink it.
But why
That's
not? The
awesome.
audience don't know why.
Wow, it produced a nice purple solution.
Well, the audience don't know why we can't drink it.
Okay, because it's not good for you. It's not made to be drinkable. All right, is that it?
Yep, it is.
Fantastic. It's been
Thank
great working with you.
Thank you for watching. Please click the like button to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.